How to fix something went wrong. Check that Google Play is enabled on your device problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, click on apps and notifications. Then click on app info at the top. In here, simply scroll down and search for Google Play Services. After you find Google Play Services, simply click on it. Then force stop the app. Then go to Storage and Cache. Clear cache. After you've done that, open Chrome and search Google Play Services. Click on Google Play Services, and if there is update available, update it. After you've done that, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix something went wrong. Check that Google Play is enabled on your device problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.